MX was the first to introduce a color-coded ejection material. Each color represents a certain hardness, varying from Shore A15 up to A60. Thanks to the proven benefits of Polytop MX, each producer is now able to decrease its footprint. With Polytop MX, you can increase the production speed, run with less pressure, and reduce maintenance, and all with even better quality end products. When you start rubbering your dies with Polytop MX, it is very important to be aware that it is designed as a system. Besides water jet cutting, there are some other tools available to shape Polytop MX. Gluing Polytop MX. Poly MX advises you to use a contact glue. This is a rapid bonding glue which has to be equally divided over the material. As soon as the material comes into contact with the die, the connection is created. Bring some pressure at several points for a few seconds before you let go of the material. Note that there is only glue between Polytop MX and the wood, and not between Polytop MX and the knife. When this occurs, the resilience of Polytop MX will decrease. This applies in particular for small scrap areas. Polytop MX is designed as a system. This makes it very important that the right material is used at the right place. In this part of the video, we will clarify the major considerations when you work with Polytop MX at your dies. Regarding the scrap areas, Poly MX talks about 4 classifications, from small internal scrap to easy side trim. Class 1, small internal scrap. For the small slot areas, please be aware that there is just a little space between Polytop MX and the knife. The ejection material must keep its stability and the possibility to perform optimally. Class 2, normal scrap, in and outside. Also, for Class 2 scrap areas, it is important that the distance between the material and the knife is approximately 1/8 of an inch. Class 3, easy scrap area. In this waste region, Poly MX advises the use of a medium hard product. Also, it's important to note here that the product must be glued close to the knives. And then the last class, Class 4. This is the area of front, rear, and side trim. In this area, Poly MX advises the use of a medium hard product, which makes it easy to eject the waste in a proper way. Product side. When you start finishing your die, the direction of rotation determines the location of Polytop MX. Take care that the material is always on the back side of the knife, in case of internal scrap. To get a good separation between product and scrap, it is important that there is some space left between the cutting knife and the ejection material. Crease and perforation lines. To avoid cracks in the inner liners or board crushing, Poly MX has good experience with the usage of yellow material along the crease and perforation lines. Transport rubber. Transport rubber is mainly used at partial dies. It is important that during the cutting process, there is a good contact between the die and board. Transportation speed must always be the same. Take care that the length of the transport rubber is at least the size of the length of the box. Polytop MX is specially developed for the die cutting industry. When you have any doubts concerning the right application, Poly MX is always ready to support you.